The armed forces of Russia Federation and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in 24 hours. The armed clashes occurred in some places May 30th. In Donetsk direction, operational tactical and army aviation units and artillery of the Yug Group of Forces have eliminated up to 145 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 D-30 howitzer during the day. An ammunition depot of the 54th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit close to Krasnoye, Donetsk People's Republic. In South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces inflicted fire damage on the AFU units close to Velikaya Novosyolka and Vremevka, Donetsk People's Republic. 1 sabotage and reconnaissance group of the Armed Forces of Ukraine has been neutralised close to Vladimirovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Over 40 Ukrainian military and 4 motor vehicles were hit in these directions over the past 24 hours. In Kherson direction, up to 30 Ukrainian troops, 5 motor vehicles, and 1 Akatsiya self-propelled artillery system, and D-30 and M-STB howitzers have been eliminated over the past 24 hours. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 429 fighter jets and 235 helicopters, 4,379 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,328 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,941 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,544 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the Armed Forces of Ukraine May 30th said Russia lost 410 servicemen in a single day, including 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles as well as 10 artillery systems and 38 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 461 days. There is still no peace settlement between 2 sides. Ukraine also shows footage of destroying Russian reconnaissance unit. The operators of the SSO of Ukraine staged a successful ambush on the Russian military in one of the areas in the southern direction. While carrying out a reconnaissance mission, soldiers of the Special Operations Forces heard a boat moving directly towards them along the river. It turned out that it was a group of Russian soldiers. The operators of the combat group immediately opened fire on the enemy and immediately destroyed the commander and the boatman who was driving the boat.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.